Good day to our thesis advisor, Engineer R.M.G. Leaguado,
to our Chairman of the Board, Dr. Aileen T. Amorado,
and to our panels, Engineer Eileen Araguas and Engineer Gerson Pulya.
My name is Idalberto Almacar Jr.
I am Beverly M. Fronda,
And I am Ivy Joy F. Gabog.
Today, we will defend our undergraduate research entitled
Design and Development of Dragon Fruit Peeling and Grinding Machine for the Manila Farm at Barangay Tindalo, San Joaquin, Santo Tomas, Batangas.
The Manila Farm is one of the known farms that has planted dragon fruits. It is also known as a local producer of wholesome goods and a grower of all natural fruits and vegetables. The farm plants and harvests fruits depending on its season and supply it in different markets in Santo Tomas, Batangas, and in other parts of Manila. The farm also produces wholesome goods, and these are dragon fruit jam and dragon fruit wine. The Manila farm has 2 workers assigned the whole process. The workers are cutting the dragon fruits in half, then peel the dragon fruit carefully using their hands and knife. The main problem of the workers in farm is they were having a hard time to meet the target numbers of dragon fruits needed to peel in a day due to lack of manpower and increased demand of the product.
The conceptual paradigm of the study illustrated the input needed for the design and development of dragon fruit peeling and grinding machines, and the process that would took place to produce the desired output that would help to increase productivity and minimize working time of peeling. Through the input and process information, the output would be the design and development of dragon fruit peeling and grinding machine and an operational manual.
Here are the objectives of the study that will be tackled in this presentation.
one of the objectives of our research is to develop a design alternatives for dragon fruit skin peeler and grinder machine in consideration of its peeling and grinding process. In line with this, we use process flowchart. The table shows the flowchart of peeling and grinding process of the cylindrical fruit peeling and manual grinding machine. It consists of the elements that was included in the operations. It also shows the total time of the process in design 1. Next process flowchart is for the automatic cylindrical fruit peeling and grinding machine. It shows all the elements that will be included in the operation of the machine. It also shows the standard time of the design alternative 2. The last process flowchart is for the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. This shows all the elements that will included in design alternative 3, and it also shows the total time or the standard time that will be consumed when using this alternative design. With this, we can compare the standard time that will be consumed in peeling and grinding process of each alternative design.
Here are the list of materials, specification, and functions needed in designing and developing the peeling and grinding machine. First in the list is the tubular, which will be used in supporting the table and the machine surfaces. This is applicable to all designs. Next is galvanized steel grafting to be used as way for the peeled fruits to enter grinding section of design 2. Galvanized sheet will be used in surfaces of the table of design 1 and 2. Stainless steel plate will be shaped into cylinder used in design 1 and 2 and body of design 3. Stainless blade is the main component of this study and used to peel the dragon fruit skin. Stainless pin acts as stopper in the study so that when peeling takes place, it will not move and securely attached for safety when in every design is in use. Stainless stand are used in the study where the stainless pin and stainless holder will be attached. Digital screen is used in the study to determine the speed and the number of dragon fruit that has been peeled. Grinder is used in the study in grinding the peeled skin of dragon fruit to make tea out of it. Bolt, nuts, screws is used in the study to utilize and to combine the segment of each part of the machine. Flange bearing, it is also the main component and is used in attaching the threaded rod and the shaft when peeling blades works up and down. Inverter is used to convert the electricity power of the machine where the higher currents and voltages are present. Threaded rod is used in the study in allowing other fixings like bolts and nuts to easily screw or fasten it. Control panel are used in the study as the manual switch to operate each design. Gear motors is used in series of gears to reduce the speed when peeling process takes place. And lastly, In the materials is the gears. Gears are used for the peeling blade to move up and down and the holder to rotate when peeling takes place.
We came up with three alternative designs, namely cylindrical fruit peeling with manual grinding machine, cylindrical fruit peeling with automatic grinding machine, and multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. First is the cylindrical fruit peeling with manual grinding machine that contains table which supports the whole equipment. The peeling container has 4 peeling stands. Once the dragon fruit are placed inside the peeling cylinder, the peeling stand will be in charge for holding the dragon fruit in place. The stand will rotate while the blades works up and down, which will start to peel the dragon fruit. The peeled skin of dragon fruit will manually transferred by the workers to put in the grinding process. The workers manually rotate the grinding wheels to grind the peeled skin. Next is automatic cylindrical fruit peeling and grinding machine. This contains a table with one cylinder that supports the whole process. The upper part of cylinder is peeling process, while the lower part of cylinder is grinding process. The peeling part of the cylinder has 4 peeling stands, which will be in charge for holding the dragon fruit in place. The stand will rotate while the blades works up and down, which will start to peel the dragon fruit. The peeled skin of dragon fruit will directly fall in the grinding part, which located at the lower part of the cylinder. The last alternative design is multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. The machine has 2 switch buttons for peeling and grinding machine. The design tree has 4 peeling blades with holder in each pole. The holder has spikes to securely hold the dragon fruit. The skin that has been peeled from the dragon fruit will fall to its grinding machine. The upper pole of each peeler can be adjusted for any kind of fruits to be peeled using the third alternative design.
After the system components of the 3 alternative design, next is their development cost. On the first table, this composes all the materials needed in developing the first alternative design, which is the cylindrical fruit peeling with manual grinding machine. The total cost will be 44,825 pesos. On the next table, it also shows the materials needed and the development costs that will be used in making automatic cylindrical fruit peeling and grinding machine. It will cost 39,275 pesos. Lastly, the table shows the development cost of the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine, which will cost 49,715 pesos. The second to the last consideration in developing a design alternatives for dragon fruit skin peeler and grinder machine is their capacity. The table shows the capacity of the machine per pieces, time consumed in peeling process per piece, grinding process time, and the total dragon fruit in 1 hour for each alternative design.
The last consideration in developing a design alternatives for dragon fruit skin peeler and grinder machine is its ergonomic consideration. We measured the 2 workers and get the following anthropometry. We calculated the percentile of each anthropometry, which the formula is Z is equals to X minus mu over standard deviation, where X is equals to highest anthropometric measurement and mu is mean average of anthropometric measurement.
The next objective of our research is evaluation of alternative design using trade-off analysis. We made a trade-off analysis so that we can easily determine which among the alternative designs are best and suited for the workers. We made 5 design criteria to provide an evaluation in every design. These are easy to use, safety, cost-efficient, productivity, and efficiency. The designs are evaluated by 10 respondents composing of the owner, the son of the owner, 2 workers, 2 professors, 2 engineers, 1 simulator, and 1 fabricator. The researchers also used trade-off techniques such as standard weighted sum method, arithmetic mean method, maximum decision, and imprecision method to identify the best alternative design.
The standard weighted method was computed by summation of multiplied importance of each criterion by the rate of each alternative, From this, the best design was identified, which is the design number 3, the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. In determining the best design using arithmetic mean, it was computed by multiplying the importance of each criterion by the rate of each alternative divided by the total number of design criteria. In this method, the best design was identified, the design tree or the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. In maximum decision method, first is determining the least minimum rating in each design. The maximum or the highest minimum in the entire tree least minimum is 3.05, which is on alternative design tree. In computing the imprecise decision, each score of importance was multiplied in every score of each design. The answers are then averaged, and the highest average are considered the best alternative design. Design 3 got the highest average among the 3 designs.
In the summary of computation of trade-off analysis using the different techniques such as standard weighted sum method, arithmetic mean method, maximum decision, and imprecision method, design 3 or the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine were the best alternative design and the most befitting among the 3 alternative designs. The next objectives of the design and development of dragon fruit peeling and grinding machine is the simulation of the peeling and grinding machine of dragon fruit. With the use of trade-off analysis, the researchers identify which among the 3 alternative designs is best for the workers of the Manila farm. The best design is the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. The following figure shows the isometric view and orthographic of a simulated peeling and grinding machine. It also shows the different parts of the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine.
After simulation of the machine, the researchers also evaluate the performance of the peeling and grinding machine in terms of ergonomic benefits. Besides increasing the productivity and effectiveness in the production of dragon fruit product, the machine also aims to eliminate the risk brought by the existing peeling process. The proponent measured the anthropometric measurements of the 2 workers by their standing height, waist height, chest height, hand breadth, and forward reaches to be able to get the right measurement of the machine tree that will suit for them. In using the machine, the workers are in standing position in order to easily and freely move and to have a better viewpoint. The waist height and the forward reach is also considered when the workers are attaching and securing the dragon fruit in the machine. The machine will help the workers of the Manila farm to meet their targets and simplify the process as the demand of the product increases and competition arises. It will also help them in eliminating the risk of cutting oneself with a knife.
The researchers also consider the economic benefit of the machine. They get and computed the NPV or the net present value and also the payback period to determine how the machine will perform in terms of financial costs and benefits. In computing the net present value, the formula is shown. It shows that the value of NPV is greater than zero, which means the investment for the dragon fruit peeling and grinding machine is justifiable and manifests a positive economic variability. Next is the payback period. The formula for computing payback period is investment cost over saving income. Payback period is the time needed to recover the cost exhausted in the machine. The result from the payback period shows that it will take 3.25 years for the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine.
Last in the objectives is to provide operational manual for the peeling and grinding machine. In peeling process, first, make sure to check the machine before using it. Put the dragon fruit in the pin and holder. Make sure you cut the upper and lower base. Make sure that the dragon fruit are securely attached at the pin and holder of machine to avoid fly out of fruit from the machine. Turn on the machine and the peeling switch to peel the dragon fruit. The peeling blade will work up and down to peel the dragon fruit. Lastly, peeled skin will automatically fall in the grinder discharge to grinder machine. The machine has also a grinding machine for the peeled skin of dragon fruit. In grinding the skin, first locate the grinder machine at the middle bottom part of the machine. Next, when peeling process takes place, peeled skin will fall to grinder discharge until the grinder machine container reaches maximum capacity. Lastly, press the switch of grinding to grind the fruit skin.
We are on the last chapter of the research paper, which is summary of findings, conclusions, and recommendations. The summary that researchers notice are design alternatives with consideration of peeling and grinding process using process flow chart, material specification and function, system components, development costs, capacity, ergonomic concept, trade-off analysis, simulation of the machine, performance evaluation of the machine in consideration of ergonomic benefits and economic benefits, and lastly, operational manual.
The conclusion we have found in our study are, with the founding of 3 alternative designs, it gives a manageable use and a more obliging method of peeling. The selection of process flowchart of the different alternative design system components, materials, capacity, ergonomic consideration, and consideration of the cost of the materials used were given importance to meet the desired output. It is concluded that using trade-off analysis technique is of a great help in assisting and a decent technique in deciding and picking the best design considering the framework and consideration utilized. The best alternative design considering its material specifications and functions, system components, development costs, capacity and ergonomic concepts assurance, the efficiency of the machine and the help of the workers in facilitating peeling process in design 3. Peeling and grinding machine is chosen to be an effective method of peeling the dragon fruits. The simulated machine didn't just reduce the handling time yet additionally increases the efficiency. The positive effects depended on the machine performance greatly helped in the improvement of the Manila farm. The researchers test the effectiveness of simulated design. The outcomes that were accumulated on the proposed peeling and grinding machine have a positive effect and critical improvement in the production of peeling dragon fruits in the Manila farm. The production time in the existing peeling process has reduced and productivity has changed. The researchers sum up that there were improvement in overall production using the multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine. The operational manual of multifunctional fruit peeling and grinding machine will be valuable to the laborers of the Manila farm of Santo Tomas, Batangas, for it is easy to use and can minimize the time of peeling process. It will also help for the safety of the workers and to increase their productivity.
We recommend the following. Always clean the machine after using in production. It is better if there will be a developed tool that can be used in cleaning the machine and sharpening the blades. Have a new workstation intended for peeling section. Consider in having new equipment in drying and packing the grind-peeled dragon fruit skin. The future developer or future researcher may attempt to additionally improve the usefulness of the machine to make it more successful. The future design developer or future researcher may attempt different strategies and framework considerations in rating and picking the best design.
That's all. Thank you.
Once again, I am Beverly M. Fronda.
I'm Ivy Joy Gabog.
And I am Adalberto Almacar Jr.
Thank you very
much.